Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up 20 new Hot Wheels cars from the 2019 K&L cases. The winners of my latest Hot Wheels car giveaways are these two subscribers right here, so congratulations to them and thank all of you for entering the giveaways. We have some incredible new cars here, so let's crack these open and take a look at them out of the box. The 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. The red 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. The blue 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT3. The yellow 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. The blue 2017 ACURA NSX. The white 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. The HW Race Team Corvette C7R. The Porsche Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid Sport Turismo. The white 2016 BMW M2. The red Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. The Gumball 3070 Ford Escort RS 1600. The gold Rod Squad 32 Ford. The Speed Shop Classic 55 Nomad. The blue 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. The white Urban Outlaw Magnus Walker Cool Combi. The HW Race Team 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake. The Batman Classic TV Series Batmobile. The green 1984 Audi Sport Quattro. The blue Lamborghini Countach police car. The jerry-rigged 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. So there we have 20 new Hot Wheels, and they all look so good that it's hard to pick a favorite. I think my personal favorites are the CENTENARIO Roadster and the SRT Demon, but let me know your favorite in the comments below. And of course, if you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next video.